Maya.
Thursday, Christmas,
She's walking around with her mouth open trying to catch snowflakes.
why is she going outside with her Crocs?
Hey, good morning, everyone. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. So this is actually the first kind of real snow that we have gotten here in Miwa this year. And for us, our first one, because if you have been following our channel, you know that we just moved here early this summer to this renovated Japanese traditional house, formerly known as an Akiya, which is a vacant house. But yeah, look at this. Gorgeous. The sun is coming out. In a few more days for Christmas. We have our family here, my daughter and granddaughters and son-in-law. And some friends are coming over as well. And I got the fire going. And it is my mother's birthday. We're about to call her here in just a minute. So happy birthday, Mom. All the way in Mexico. And she's from Nebraska, so I'm sure she may or may not miss snow, who knows. But where she lives in Mexico is actually a little chilly, but it definitely doesn't snow. But look at that, gorgeous. So I figured I'd just turn on my phone real quick and come out here and show y'all the beauty. Yet again, one of the reasons why we chose to move away from, urban Japan, where you're literally side by side with people and everything, and live out here in the countryside. Actually, while I'm at it here, let me go ahead and give you a quick little update. What's coming up here in the next couple months is that we had someone come over here and give us a cost estimate to flatten out and really clean up. You can't see it here, but if you have watched other videos, you know that. So like right here, there's a foundation of the old house that used to be here. So you see some of the remnants right there. So what he's going to come and do, one, he's going to kind of scrape up here nicer, because this is kind of a public path. So I feel bad when I see, especially like older ladies trying to make it up here. And make another pathway going up to the chestnut area. Right now I just kind of struggle making it up there, and remove all the rocks and the concrete. And then actually over there, there's a septic tank, and I think there's all kinds of other stuff in there. And then right here, they're gonna just scrape it a little bit, because today, as a matter of fact, today I have a shipment coming back from the United States that is finally coming over here, because yes, so we have decided that we are going to probably remain here in Japan for years to come, and I had some stuff in storage, so it's time to get it back over here. So that's what we're working on. And so the delivery is supposed to happen today, but I don't know if it's going to happen with the snow. I'm not quite sure. And so that's happening this morning. Wow, look at this. Really pretty. And again, the sun's coming up nicely, and I really did not dress appropriately, so my hands are a little bit cold. Wow. And of course the girls are all excited. Finally we could make a snowman. So not to get in their business a little too much, but my son-in-law is in the Navy. Thank you for your service. And my daughter is a great Navy spouse. Wow, look at that from here. Oh my goodness. And they were stationed in Bahrain not too long ago, for the past couple of years. So obviously they have not seen any snow in their life. So this is the first time they've seen real snow, so they're very excited about that. Wow. Oh, magical. Gorgeous. And our neighbors over here to the left, they've been looking forward to the girls coming so that they can play with the girls. Wow. All right, so yeah, look at this. And hopefully my blueberries are okay. I did put some mulch around them, but I did not cover them. Ooh, this snow is coming down actually quite nice. It's really pretty. I'm so excited, even though I don't like the cold weather. But when you have something like this, that's cool. And as you know, we installed a gas burning stove, and I've been using the heck out of it quite a bit and getting my own wood and everything. Yeah, look at this. Wow, awesome. Yeah, so for those of you that you have never moved, so this is kind of typical. I've done this several times while I was in the military, but basically they just sound off the number. There's always all these little sticker numbers that you're gonna see, and then it takes forever to peel them. Like 5 years later, you still keep finding these little stickers. You just have your little inventory sheet, check it off, and then they'll unpack as much as you want. Sometimes it's just easier to just deal with it later, and normally you just give them a little snacks and stuff like that too. This is a little old sewing machine that we brought all the way from Germany, and been looking forward to getting it back. But yeah, Choco bought this a long time ago. Sorry, it's a little heavy. I'm lifting it with one hand. Yeah, that's a really cool antique sewing machine that we bought at a flea market when we were stationed there the last time in beautiful Alyssheim. All right, so I also ordered a lawnmower, a big normal, bigger than normal lawnmower that my buddy actually bought for me, and put it in the pack out. And so yeah, so let me see what's going on. It's a lot of my old tools and stuff that we had. Yeah, so let me get back to checking off numbers. All right, folks. Again, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, and share. You know, I don't know, I just kind of tickled looking at the snow right here coming down really nicely. Yeah, wow, look at this, so pretty. All right, folks, thanks again. Have a great day. Bye.